Anong gulay ni Mamay?
I just want to realize how Lola.
Karalaman mo ng mga picture. Sijuro mo, iba taon mo pa. Dahil sa ikaw po, dagang picture sa ako nito pala. Kang nabuot pa.
Sir Chris, hi.
Was the enemy.
Eating breakfast. Dinner. Eating dinner.
Punta ka na ng Alaboy. Bibi, pagsulat-sulat daw. Ka? Bubutakan yung blue. Mag-search ka kung man mag-inusin ano. Sobre. Sobre.
Thank you so much.
Nakuha ko maghihapon. Diba?
Burana ya.
Thank you for
Ikaw
watching.
sa mo.
Nakapangit ko na da!
Aura ba ka, aura?
Hindi, may nakuha.
Sa Google ako, sa Google.
Ay, sarap. Si Ashley yun, si Cassie.
Si Riley yun.
Ay, si Riley.
Dito si Kasi yun. Pabukutan.
Hindi ka lang.
Tutoy mo yun. Ah, yung ubo dito. Kita mo yung bata pa. Tutoy tita.
Ay, udah ko da. Ada ka iruman mo ni Tutoy. Sunod na dito sa GC. Sunod na sa GC. Ada ka iruman.
Hindi mo yun.
Aray ko. Thank you for watching.
Malit lang.
Iyay, kapangin. Kailangan magpalaki si Tutoy para mapatuloy mo. Ako makamagpalaki siya.
Hindi rin sa
Ang makain lang.
Lopi Esodara. Thank you for watching.
Ano yan? Siri, si Ate Day.
Gracias, Daily.
Makakasali yung... Ay, hindi rin nila. No, hindi yung tagawag sa hindi mo.
Post ko man, oh. Magyarap sa nag-post ka.
Uy!
Post mo. Ano naman ang bag mo? Ipindot mo sabot na para pumundo. Pindot mo na. Anak ka man.
Oh my God.
Ay, walang ako na, no? Ano ba ito?
Ang dami ng sila. Ang bata pa, yan pa.
Hindi rin ito rin.
Hi, man.
Yan, dito pa naman. Dito sa ganyan. Sabi mo pa sa quick
Kasi,
magyamo ng kawabagan ganyan.
You want me? You sick it and high.
oh, wala pa itong makita. Makita, wala ito. Oh, ano ito?
Thank you so much for watching. You're my destiny. What if I rewrite this path? Thank you so much for watching. Excuse me. Not feeling well. Dad, hi, Dad. Wow. I am Boy Aranyo from Asia. Hello everyone. You look so good. Thank you, Bad. Excuse me. Can I get a fit check? I'm not gone. I'm not on the mood. Thank you sa likes. from Philippines, something like that. From Philippines, something like that. I'm watching my own live. Okay. Want to see all of you. Want to see. Sorry, I'm not in the. I'm Juan. Ah. Hi. You have a nice. Oh no, you are a bad boy. Thank you for watching. Hey, but you have a cold cough. I cough. Yeah, I'm coughing. Thank you so much for watching. Sir James, surgery successful yesterday. Oh, that's good. Thank my God. Thank you, Lord. Sir James, successful surgery. Yes, 5:15, 5:15 p.m. I'm a recovery room next for this. Ah, okay. Yes. Pray for your fast recovery, Sir James. That's good po. Sheryl Ohm. Ah, thank you, Sadie. Where are you from, Sadie? Sadie Gaze. What if I realized the stars? up to you, and this up to me. Iran boy. Ah, Iran. You are from Iran. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining. Hope you like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to send the gifts, I really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so likes. Sorry, I'm single. Ah, you're single. I'm not single. I'm engaged. Hello. I'm getting married pretty soon. That's why. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. My girl, you see, I'm not single. I'm not single. I'm one. I'm engaged. I'm dating for marry, not just a boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm graduated from that, so me date to marry. No more one. No, no. Thank you, Sir James. Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh my god, when I take the medicine, I feel sleepy. Yeah. Thank you for liking me, but hope you understand that I'm not single. Thank you so much. Because if you are in a relationship and you are entertaining, like drink plenty of water. Yes, Sadie, if you are in a relationship, my what I don't know, my vision of in a relationship. If you are in a relationship, no need to entertain like someone like you, flirting you. It's okay to be nice to the people, being nice to like friendly, something, being friendly. It's nothing was wrong about that. But need to know the limit because for the respect, for your relationship, I'm not in John. I'm not in John. Because even you are talking to your like sweetheart, something like even you are in a relationship, talking your something like your ex, it's like disrespect your present relationship. So that's not good. So that's why a lesson learns to everyone. If you are in a relationship, you need to respect your relationship. It's okay to be nice, being friendly, but entertaining someone like me, something like that. That's not. You need to know your limits. Something like that. Wait lang. I need to drink water, please. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Hello. Someday. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not feeling well. Maybe lovesick. Maybe I miss my love life so much. That's why. Yeah. Hi, Jensen. Thank you so much. I am from Uzbekistan. Thank you for watching. Aljin from Uzbekistan. Thank you. Oh my god, I feel sleepy. Oh my god. We will rock you. Sir James, Verlards and Station Pick 6 Weber. Viral breath. Painful but have been giving strong pain medication every 4 hours. Will try to stand later today when therapist arrives. Oh my god. Pray for your fast recovery, Sir James, from your surgery. Yes, Sir James. Health is wealth. Stay strong. Oh my god, stay strong, but me. Ah! I'm blind. Maybe the weather also, maybe someone missing. I am gorilla, huh? Ah, because you have a having a bird, a long bird na because something like that. Gorilla. My love Mike like this flower. So you said I'm an island girl. Island girl. My love Mike said that island. My love Mike, can you see? I have a flower now. Island girl. Francisco, hello. I like this. I like this. Meow. like to see that. You always look very nice. Thank you, Wayne. Well done. Thank you so much. You make the flower like lovely. Thank you, Sir James. My love Mike said I'm like a island girl. So that's why he liked this. Mimic, thank you so much. Meow meow. Meow meow. How's the weather today in the lovely Philippines? Sunny, windy, sunny, windy. Here and where I live, sunny, windy, but not same weather in the other places here in the Philippines. Here where I live, sunny, windy, something like that. So sleepy. Do you live in the city or do you live in a farm? I'm not living in the city. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile breakfast just arrived. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much. God bless always. Stay healthy. I need to end the live because I felt sleepy. Oh my god. Thank you so much. My love mic like this. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Taz, good evening for you, morning for me. Thank you, Taz. But I need to end the live because I felt pretty. Thank you, Taz. Pretty teeny tiny. Pretty teeny tiny. Oh. Yes. Oh. Maybe when I'm feeling better, I will do live long something like maybe more than 1 hour, something like. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you all. Well, I still hit the like and thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes. I just like to see that your live chat channel is standing and keep up the good work. Bye bye. Thank you, Sir Wayne Walden. Thank you so much. Wait lang. I appreciate. Oh my god. Bye. Love you. Hope you get better. Yes. Thank you so much. I need to beauty rest. Thank you so much.